Hello Taurians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is a reading for the month of June. So, and I'll be doing an extended to this reading, and the link for the extended will be given in the description box below. So if this reading resonates with you, you can check me on Patreon via that link. And I'm offering free readings for people who are joining me on Patreon, the first 10. So if you join me on Patreon, then you have a chance of getting a free reading also for one question. Okay, so let's see what are the overall energies for Taurus. What's expected? Five of Pentacles, Three of Cups, Five of Wands, Page of Cups, Ace of Swords, the Queen of Pentacles, Four of Cups, the Lovers, Nine of Wands, Three of Swords, Two of Pentacles. What's going on? Queen of Swords. I really don't. Okay. So Taurians, you are feeling ignored and rejected by someone here. You are feeling left out in the cold. There is somebody here, or something has really happened who has made you feel like this. So definitely you feel rejected, you feel left out in the cold. There has been somebody who has really hurt your feelings, or it's like totally this person had totally abandoned you and left you sort of. Okay, with the Three of Cups and the Five of Wands, what I feel is that maybe this person is see, what I feel here is that see, maybe this person was amongst your friend circle. Maybe this person was, maybe it was a love triangle. It can be that also for some of you. For others of you, what I feel is maybe it was some sort of a get together, or something between friends or family, something of the close knit thing, and there was some argument here. That's what I feel. These two things don't, this thing, the Three of Cups to me is looking like as if you people were enjoying and everything was fine, sort of. You are just remembering that everything was fine and then a fight happened. It's coming off like that. Maybe it was a love triangle, maybe that, or maybe it was somebody. It's not only two people involved. To me it looks like as if there were more than two people involved over here. Maybe anybody here, maybe some of your friends, or something which has happened because of which there has been some argument or a fight. Okay, and one more thing, it is possible that you are feeling like this, and this is the energy of the other people who are just enjoying and partying sort of. Yeah, it's like somebody is enjoying in between this fight. Okay, so maybe, as I'm saying, it was a group or some friends or something like that. So something has happened over here because of which, because of this fight and argument, something has happened because of which you have been ignored and rejected. It's like you've been out of the group and other people are enjoying still. It's something coming off like that overall. Actually, they're happy. Okay, like we've done it sort of and we've ignored, and they are happy. They're not bothered. I don't know why I'm getting this type of a vibe. Okay, with the Page of Cups over here, what I feel is Page of Cups, Ace of Swords, and the Queen of Pentacles. Are you wanting to reconcile with them? Can be that also. Maybe some of you want to reconcile in this situation. Maybe you make an effort to reconcile in this situation. Maybe you want to have a new beginning. That's what I feel. see, maybe you want to reconcile or have a new beginning with that, with those people, but then I somehow what I'm getting here is, I don't know why, he, that when you want to open up to this person, you want to reconcile with them, but then you realize that perhaps this is not possible, and then once you realize that with the Ace of Swords, you are then ready for a new beginning. You realize that perhaps this reconciliation will not work out. It can be that also. So you are wanting to reconcile and making an effort for amendment of this situation, but in a very loving way, but then you feel that it is just not working out, and once you have that clarity that this is not going to work out, you start anew here. With the Ace of Swords, you have the clarity to have a new beginning over here. With the Queen of Pentacles, what I feel is, this is, now you know that you have to make a new beginning. You are just thinking and feeling nostalgic as to, and planning sort of how should to move ahead now. That's what I feel. This is, you are just thinking over here. It's just, to me it always looks like as if how to execute, how to move forward so that I can get a stable new beginning. New, I'm saying, because of this Ace of Swords. So how to move forward so that you can get a stability, something like that. With the Four of Cups, the Lovers, and the Nine of Wands, so definitely somebody is very, very upset over here regarding a connection since a long time. That's what I feel. This person, there is a connection over here with the Lovers. So what I feel here is that this person here is too upset for what they have lost. This person is not able to move ahead. This person is waiting since a long time for this particular connection to happen, and is not even understanding that perhaps this is not the right person for them, and there is somebody new there in the vicinity on whom they need to focus. But the problem is, this person is waiting for this connection, or they really want to reconcile. That's what I feel. But then I think the things are just not happening. This person is really heartbroken. Okay, I really don't feel that this is actually happening. There is a lot of heartbreak over here with the Three of Swords. Two of Pentacles, again that indecisiveness, what to do, what not to do, and the Queen of Swords again. Total detachment, total cold energy, not investing in anyone, being very cold, and that is a cold energy. So because this person is heartbroken, so overall what I am getting here is, maybe this person wants, it can be a love triangle. We have the Three of Cups here and the Three of Swords here. So to me, again and again, it is looking like it's sort of a love triangle, and somebody has been put out. Okay, and this person wants to get back to the person again, to reconcile with the person, and it is just not happening. And because of this, being focused too much on the past and just waiting and waiting and waiting for this person to be back, and this person is just, this is just not happening. It is leading to more and more agony and indecisiveness. Okay, and I really don't see this is sorting out right now. So this person is just waiting for somebody here. The High Priestess, the Two of Diamonds is the High Priestess. So some moderation has to be done. Just listen to your inner voice and do not make a move. As this is the call. Okay, just stay still. Do not make a move right now. Just listen to your intuition and things will be okay. There is no need to, just meditate and pray for things to be okay. Guidance from the angels. Eight of Action. There is so much going on right now that it may feel overwhelming to you, and yet it is wonderful to be busy with the work that you love. Express gratitude for the blessings of the heaven that are taking up your time. Even if life feels challenging, you are asked to travel and take a flight. If you are asked to do that, do so with confidence. So basically, there is a lot going on. You just need to focus on whatever good is happening in your life so that you can come out of this negative energy. That's what it is. Now I'll be clarifying these cards and reading as to what else is there in store for you. The link for that is given in the description box below, and you're most welcome to join me there. Otherwise, thank you for being till here. Bye. Hope it helps.